Health is not thrust upon us. It's something we build every day. When it's about our health, we don't compromise. We refuse to settle for mediocrity and best guesses. We inspired new tools so we could move beyond the uncertainty. We learned how to set the right goals, how to work hard to get at the top, to let them know how we fare when we are apart, to give them new insights when we're not feeling well, so they can make smarter decisions about our health and behavior. We set out to explore, to build something bigger than us. A world where we all know what health looks like. Because we owe it to our humans to get them off the couch, to keep hounding them to stay active and healthy. So we can wake up every day of our lives and go totally insane with joy.
ASL Solutions Dog Palace comes with a lifetime warranty against cracking and breaking. It includes all the necessary installation hardware and assembles in 6 easy steps. When assembled, the outside dimensions measures at 38.5 inches high by 31.5 inches wide by 47.5 inches long. As for the inside dimensions, it measures at 30.5 inches high by 24 inches wide by 35.5 inches long. One of the main features of the Dog Palace is the insulation of up to 4 inches in each of the panels. This insulation is made out of real styro EPS foam made to withstand all types of weather conditions. To demonstrate the real value of insulation, we conducted an experiment on the Dog Palace with and without insulation walls. The results of the experiment is depicted in the chart. This chart reflects the heat retention inside the Dog Palace using a common 100-watt light bulb. At an outside temperature of 40 degrees, the insulated Dog Palace ended up being 70 degrees inside, while the one without insulation was approximately 45 degrees inside. At an outside temperature of 0 degrees, the insulated Dog Palace ended up being 30 degrees inside, while the one without insulation was approximately 4 degrees inside. The Dog Palace has a large 15.5 inch by 18 inch door to allow for easy entry or exiting for dogs of all sizes. The bottom of the door is 11 inches off the ground. This is the ideal height for larger dogs. The door is hinged in the middle, making it easier for dogs to push the door open. The bottom half of the door is removable during the initial training process. The Dog Palace floor is sloped and has a drain hole to make cleaning a breeze. Just hose down the floor and the water and dirt will drain right out. Floor is raised to provide a dry and warm bedding area. The Dog Palace has front and rear self-storing window panels that easily repositions from winter's closed position to summer's cross ventilation position with no tools necessary. Add extra warmth and comfort to your ASL Solutions Dog Palace this winter with our floor mat heaters. The heater is specifically designed to fit so the electrical cord exits the rear of the house and keeps the dog from tripping over the cord. Recommended use when sustained outdoor temperatures are below 20 degrees Fahrenheit. The built-in thermostat and electrical fuse provides comfort, warmth for pets outdoors at a safe low temperature. Included with the heater is a fleece blanket cover that is completely water resistant. The solar-powered exhaust fan is designed to easily attach to the top and rear panel of the Dog Palace. This fan can also be used on any other dog house with a flat mounting surface. The fan replaces the entire house's air up to 5 times per minute. There are also vents that can be easily closed with the twist of a knob for winter protection. This product has a long-lasting, whisper quiet ball bearing fan that is designed so it does not disturb your dog while he or she is resting.